If one missed paycheck could unravel everything you've built, listen up. I'm Maurice. Quick honest note, this is my AI avatar, because right now I'm out working my W-2 or managing my Turo cars. But the real me answers every comment myself. Here's what I learned the hard way. Life changes without permission. Jobs vanish. Bills don't. So I turned Turo into a real pivot. Income I control, smarter on taxes, and a way to provide for my family no matter what. That's why I built FK Command Center, to help you do the same. Build the boat before the storm. Comment Turo below and I'll personally point you to your first step.